Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about FisioRest Neck Massager, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly readable information and personal opinion. Alright, so the FisioRest is a neck massager that claims to combine heat, vibration, and gentle traction to ease stiffness and tension. It's sold by Artivate, which has a Trustpilot rating of 4.2 out of 5 based on over 150 reviews. Most of the positive feedback highlights comfort, ease of use, and noticeable relief after just a few sessions. While many buyers say it works great for mild to moderate tension, others mention the device feel a bit bulky or that results were underwhelming for chronic issues. Some had issues with delayed shipping or unclear return policies, but nothing that screams scam. Overall, the FisioRest doesn't appear to be a scam. It seems to work for a lot of people, especially those dealing with everyday neck tension. Just keep your expectations realistic and maybe don't expect it to replace a chiropractor. Try the FisioRest yourself. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more real talk on trending products, stick around for more reviews.